This is the single biggest factor to your success as an online coach, and that is your niche. Every day I get coaches that say, Jav, I don't know what my niche is. I can coach everyone. I can do this. I can do that. Nah, fuck that shit. A brain surgeon makes more than a GP for a reason, because they're special. So how can you work out your niche? Let's go. The very first thing you need to do is think about your own personal journey. Where did you come from? What is your transformation? That might be the kind of person that you can coach. Number two, your favorite clients. Who do you actually enjoy coaching the most? That's always a good way to start. Number three, who do you get the best results for? If you're already getting results and you've already got clients, that's probably the best person for you to coach. And number four, is it relatable? Who do you relate to the most? That's a great way to kind of pick your ideal client, because you want to make sure that people in your program are people that you can relate to, or else it might get a little bit difficult. Get those things right, and I promise you, your life will be easy, your program will be easy, your marketing will be easy, and you'll be able to build a sustainable online coaching business. If you want to know the secrets to my success as an online coach, all you need to do is drop a little comment with the word niche, and I'll send you my niche table. Peace.